In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Wayfair credit card account for payments. Whether you're making a one-time payment or setting up regular payments, this guide will streamline the process for you. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get you to the right place. Open your favorite web browser and head to the Wayfair credit card login page. If you can't find it easily, another route is to visit the Community Bank login page, the issuer of the Wayfair card. This is your entryway to managing your credit card online. Remember, using official websites helps keep your information secure. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Go ahead and fill these in with the credentials you created during account registration. If this is your first time trying to access your account online, look for the Register Now option to establish your online access. Setting it up takes a few quick steps, and it's essential for managing your account remotely. Now, for security reasons, you might be required to verify your identity. This often involves a one-time code sent to either your email or phone number. It's an extra layer of protection to ensure that only you can access your account. Keep an eye on your devices for this code and enter it promptly when asked. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard. Here you can check your account balance and review any recent transactions. This is also the place where you can set up or schedule payments and adjust any account settings you might want to modify. You have all the tools at your disposal for effective account management. Next, it's time to make that payment. Head over to the payments section within your account. If you haven't yet saved your bank account information, you'll need to enter those details now. It's a straightforward form and will save you time in the future. Once your bank info is set, choose the amount you want to pay. You can select the minimum amount due, pay off your statement balance, or customize the amount to suit your needs. After that, select your payment date, review all the details carefully, and then confirm your payment. And here's a handy tip. If you prefer not to use the webpage, you can also make payments through the Community Bank mobile app. Alternatively, you can pay by phone using the number on the back of your credit card, ensuring you have multiple convenient options. There you have it. A simple, straightforward way to sign in and manage your Wayfair credit card payments. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transaction every time. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!